Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download Airtel Xstream in LG TV. So, there are two possible ways depending on your LG TV's operating system, WebOS or LG Content Store or casting from your phone. So method 1 is installing Airtel Xstream from the LG Content Store, that is WebOS. So turn on your LG TV, press the home button on your remote and open the LG Content Store. Go to apps and search for Airtel Xstream. Select the app from the result, click install. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Airtel account. This works only if your TV model and WebOS version support the app. Now, not all LG TV support the Airtel Xstream directly, especially older WebOS versions. If you can't find the app, use this alternative. So first, from your Android phone, open Airtel Xstream on your phone, tap the Cast a Smart View icon, select your LG TV and the app content will play on your TV. After you do this, you'll be easily able to download Airtel Xstream app in LG TV. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.